Hi guys, just want to keep you updated. I've managed to fix the housing of the original Glock and make it fit into this frame of that air gun. I had to grind off these tabs here to make this hole go down, and now it fits here well. And this is how it goes when you put it in. It stands in the proper place. Mind you, that's not a real Glock frame, so you can't even try to test it. That's just a proof of concept. And also, because it's very hard to work while it's in here, I've created a mock-up here. I've put this piece of wood and they marked exact positions of the Glock here, of these pins. And there you go. This is how it stands inside this Glock. Now, as you press the trigger bar moves down and slides down onto this, and as it slides down it releases this part here. This part here releases the striker. This is it. It's when it's in its lowest position. Of course, there is a spring here which pulls it back into position after it's fired, like that. And then you go again, moves down and drops down and releases the striker. I don't know if you could see it. Now, what I wanted to do is disable this arm so the gun is at all times disabled. So I drilled a little hole here in the housing to make a proof of concept. This is just a paper clip, but it works. It doesn't matter how much you press the trigger, the arm doesn't move back, which means that the gun will be most likely disabled. We're going to test that later at the final stages. So this is going to be on the inside. The pin is going to be on the inside, and there is going to be a magnet here. When you put a magnet on the other side, it's going to attract the magnet, come down and pull this bar down with it, which will release the arm and the gun can be fired. Without this magnet pulling the internal magnet out, the gun is going to be perpetually disabled, in fact. And that's what we want. So I'll keep you updated from time to time. I'll post some new videos on my progress. Problem is I don't have 100% time to devote to this. I gotta go to work. That's the problem with every inventor, I guess. Time and money. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you.